Hello, and welcome to Donna Chien Investment. This analysis is for Argan on the New York Stock Exchange as of 12th of July 2026, with a share price of $630. The full report is on donnachien.ca, a superb, debt-free builder of power plants and data center power, but priced near 67 times clean earnings after a huge run, with insiders selling into the high. A great company at a wrong, risky price. Let us be clear up front. This is a quality company. Quality scores 78. Argan builds gas-fired power plants, and the power infrastructure behind data centers, carries net cash and no debt, and holds a record backlog near $2.8 billion as electricity demand from computing surges. Management has a strong record. Nothing here says the business is broken. Everything that follows is about valuation and risk, not about whether Argan is a good operator. It plainly is. Valuation scores 22. After a run from under $200 to over $800, the shares trade near 67 times clean earnings, almost 3 times the multiple the growth actually warrants, and above the highest analyst target. That is deep enough into expensive territory to fire our do not buy trigger, not just cap the signal. Part of the reported profit is simply interest on the cash pile, which flatters the headline number. If the multiple merely drifts back toward what the growth warrants, that is a 40% move on its own. On top of the valuation, company insiders sold roughly $50 million of stock into the 52-week high, and these were discretionary sales, not prearranged plans. That is a corroborating flag, not the main case, but it points the same way as the valuation. Timing is weak at 38, and none of our entry conditions is met. Add it up, and the expected value of buying here is poor, a wonderful business, but the price and the setup both say wait, or look elsewhere. Now, the other side of the ledger. It is a genuinely high-quality, debt-free business. Data center power backlog could keep compounding. Bull case $760, about 21% above today. Net cash cushions the downside. Now weigh the risk against the reward. The bull case is roughly 21% above today. The base case, the most likely, about 14%. And the bear case a fall of about 43%. So you are risking about 43 to make 21. So, our call on Argan, on the New York Stock Exchange. Do not buy. Remember, this is for education, not financial advice. Always do your own research. This analysis is by Donna Chien Investment at donnachien.ca. The link to the full report is in the notes below. Have a great day.